So I will tell a little bit more about the software we have for the zoo, for the elephant. Basically we have models in different languages, so we have a Czech language, English, Russian, and can be also French and other language. Here in the lower part it's the main menu that you can actually click on, and also we have a menu here which you can choose from make a postcard, to take a picture and go to the Facebook, then to download the book, meaning a PDF file, and lastly we have games for small children, for instance quiz, puzzles, and what goes with what. So for instance with the puzzle, I can try to solve some different puzzles that we have here. Yeah. So that's for instance puzzles. And then in the lower part we have here home, about elephants, humans and elephants, threats and protections, who is who, and our breeding. So for instance elephants here we can find out a little bit more information about typical features. Also shapes of the back, shapes of the ear, tusks, and also if we click on this particular item we can find out more information here. Then we can find out here in the section humans and elephants, for instance religions, hard work, ceremonies, wars, and here are the video parts, so for instance ceremonies. I always can find attached some pictures with the text, meaning so if I go to the hard work, I get a picture of hard work and some information. If I go to the words, I get some pictures of the words and information, and more and more. Then we have threats and protections, basically also divided in different folders. We can see some parts as the threats, what are the locations where the elephant actually lives, and furthermore, then we can find out more information, for instance, about network of protected territories, also some pictures, and with the pictures goes the informations. And also, if you would like to find out more length of the elephants, I can go to the video, I can scroll forward, I can scroll back, so I can find out whatever I want. So I get the video and also get always the text. Here is also a video. Different schemes you can actually choose what you would like to have in different kind of folders. So it's really up to you what do you choose to be part of this. And in last section, who is who, or previous last section, is for instance Prague Zoo has different elephants. They have Dona, they have Gula, they have Janeta, Mekong, and Shanti, and some more elephants. Basically, if you would like to find out more about the elephants, I can click on, for instance, Dona. I have a picture of Dona, I have information where the elephant comes from, and if I click on the elephant, I get some more information, and basically how to find out which elephant is which. I can click on this particular part, and I can actually find out that this particular thing is this elephant. Or for instance here, so that's basically, it helps you to find out like more about the elephant, how he looks, and which elephant is actually which. So that's another section, who is who. And lastly we have our breedings. We have a timeline. With the timeline we can find out how the Prague Zoo actually developed. So we have more informations, we have timeline and picture, and I can find out actually more history from historical things about how everything developed through the time. Basically, Prague Zoo says that we have developed the last pavilion in 2013 for the elephants. And what we have here, it's actually also a 360 option to see where the elephant lives in Prague Zoo, so you can actually see from their point of view the cages and everything what the elephant can see. If the person would like to find out more information about, let's say, sand, what kind of sand it is, I can click here, get more information about the gate and the yard and what serves for what purposes. We can find it also here if we click on it. And lastly, we have also here an option to click on a video, how everything actually developed in Prague Zoo. And that's how they were actually moving the elephants in, how they transport, all the main events that actually took place in Prague, new buildings, movements, and furthermore. So that's also part of the software. So basically, if I would will summarize it, you have your main menu. You can choose whatever you want like to have here. You have option for the pictures, for the download, and for the games for the kids. You have here the language schemes, and here, as you wish, can be different information about the elephants, about your company, about history, videos, galleries, and furthermore. So that's pretty much